Hello and welcome to Cameta Camera Snapshots. Today, we take a look at the Nikon COOLPIX B600, which takes the big 60x zoom of the now discontinued B700 and puts it in a smaller, less expensive, beginner-friendly body with a smaller price to match. Let's take a closer look. The Nikon COOLPIX B500 is one of the best-selling point-and-shoot cameras around, and for good reason. With a massive zoom range, compact size, and easy operation, it's the ideal camera for beginners who just want a camera that can reach almost anything without breaking the bank. The B600 takes that formula and adds considerably more zoom, from 40x to 60x. The B600 has a 35mm equivalent reach of 1,440mm, and of course, the lens has VR image stabilization to reduce blur from camera shake. To make zooming a little easier, the camera offers two control options: the zoom switch around the shutter button, and a switch on the barrel of the lens. One other great feature is a remarkable close focusing distance of less than ½ an inch in macro mode, so now you can get closer than ever to really small subjects. Lens aside, the body itself is a little bit larger than the B500, wider, taller, and deeper, but only by a few millimeters in each direction. But although it's bigger overall and has a heavier lens, it actually weighs less thanks to a small rechargeable lithium-ion battery instead of the 4 AA batteries the B500 requires. So the B600 ends up being quite easy to carry despite its very generous zoom range. On the back, you have a pretty standard 3-inch 921,000 dot LCD screen. Not as versatile as the B500's tilting screen, but with less moving parts, probably more durable overall. Simplicity is the theme here, with only a few buttons, a mode dial with a variety of auto modes on top, no viewfinder, no manual or priority mode options, and no hot shoe, just a built-in flash that you raise yourself. No automatic pop-up and no switches. Additional specifications include a 16-megapixel low-light CMOS sensor, full 1080p HD movie recording, up to 7 frames per second continuous burst shooting, sensitivity up to ISO 6400, 19 scene modes and 36 built-in creative effects, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for sharing and remote shooting, and even 83 megabytes of internal memory, in case you forget your memory card and just need a few shots. Overall, the Nikon COOLPIX B600 is what it is, and it isn't shy about it. It's basically a crazy long optical zoom lens with an image sensor attached. No fancy features, no manual modes, just a simple to operate camera with a massive zoom range and a healthy selection of auto modes for the novice photographer. It starts at just $329.95, and you can get yours with fast, free shipping at Cameta.com.